Today at Mullin Machinery, we have a Gensco model CSX 2010, serial number 18026. Power wire stripper, currently wired for low voltage 3-phase. This has the adjustable guides. You don't need any special guides for running different sizes. Looks like it'll run up to about 3-inch. This has the upper and lower wheels with slitters on both upper and lower. There's some kind of smaller slitter on the side here. It's only used to slit copper cable. Unit is not that old. We have the paperwork for it. The entire scrap operation is shutting down here. That recycled copper wire. Owner's retiring and just liquidating his all his equipment. I'll run the machine for you. It's quiet, runs good, blades are in good shape. The safety bar works. Don't need anyone stripping an arm on that. But we have a bunch of other wire strippers available up to 6-inch. So make sure you check out the website, mullinmachinery.com. That's M-U-L-L-I-N, machinery.com, for all your tool room and fabricating needs. And contact us. We can get you shipping rates anywhere in the world. We ship around the world every week. Again, go to the website, mullinmachinery.com.